Welcome back everybody to Crypto Mindset. Today we're looking at MATIC. Just wanna show you a little article I found. It came out on November 25th. It was about MATIC and Blockade team up. Okay, MATIC blockchain game is excited to announce our newest blockchain partner. MATIC Network will be joining our blockchain game developer platform as our recommended blockchain partner and will be one of 3 networks available to launch for games developers in early 2020 alongside Ethereum and Loom network. Now let's look at the charts basically. Since that article came out, okay, in November 25th, that was the candle here. Let's show you the candle. 1 second. This is the candle. The big juicy candle that took us out from this accumulation range. The half a year box here we've been trading in this for the last half a year. This article took us out of it on a high volume. Then since November 25th, we have been trading in an upper channel. You can see we are in an upper channel in a bullish rally, and we actually gained over, by the way, congratulations to the one that bought here or here. If you bought here, for example, till today you are up almost 200%. That's quite good investment for in a 2 weeks return. Okay, now this looks bullish. Okay, but if we look at the RSI, let's look on the RSI here on the daily time frame. That's the most reliable time frame. Sorry, RSI. You can see that we are starting to go on the overbought territories. You can see on the purple box, as long as we're in the purple box, it's okay. But once we cross out of it, we're entering the overbought territories, meaning that correction might be on its way. As well, this is not certain, okay? It's just one indicator. It can say one thing and the price will do something completely different, okay? But just keep in mind, if you're already up 200% on your investment, I will take some profit. I will take like a quarter, at least a quarter of my position, just to lock in some gains. Maybe all the first investment, I will take it out, okay? Just to minimize risk. Now, after we talk about that, on the smaller time frame, let's look on the smaller time frame. On the 4-hour chart, we can see this nice upper channel. You can see as long as we're respecting this trend line, I'm fine with I bought here, somewhere here. As long as we're respecting this trend line, I'm still gonna hold it, okay? I'm still gonna hold it. You can see a massive volume here. And I'm actually waiting, my plan is to wait for the candles, the daily candles, to be something big, like where we have this. You can see these candles here on our first explosive move up in the beginning of the year in May. You can see these candles were 40% candle. This candle is 60%, okay, in one day. The next candle is 90% in one day, and the last candle, the parabolic candle, it's 80%. That means in 3 days it made 200%, okay? That's what I'm looking for. I'm looking for MATIC to make this kind of candles. As long as it's still keeping this relatively small candles, I'm just gonna hold my position till I'm gonna feel it's going to collapse. As well, if you like me covering MATIC, please like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. By the way, if you know why MATIC is pumping in the fundamental way, please write down below if you have any kind of news or inside information to share with us. Please write down below. Thank you very much for listening. As well, if you like to enter this market and you don't want to buy the top, I would wait for it to go down, to reverse at least to this area. You can see where we had this resistance here that we broke. You can see we had resistance here and resistance here and resistance here. Now it's gonna be our support from the other side. So if it's gonna continue, if you're gonna decide to go down, it will probably hit that resistance and that support, and it will bounce from it. Probably, nothing is certain, okay? This is not a financial advice. Thank you very much for listening. Have a wonderful day. Bye for now.